What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Jack Skellington from A Nightmare Before Christmas. Let's start today's lesson in the center page with the eyes. Now we start on the left side, draw a straight angled line going up and then out towards the top. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing, going up towards the same height. Now I want to round out the bottom of the eyes, starting back on the left, coming down towards the bottom, and then bend that back in. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's move in between the eyes and draw an upside down triangle with a straight line. Pull this down and in towards the center. Now I want to add some jagged teeth across the top. We're going to start right in the middle, come down and up like a V on the left and right side. Now I'm going to continue up towards the left, come down and up. Now the last couple teeth, we're just going to bend this down and go up towards the corner of the mouth. Let's do the same thing on the right. Come down. And we'll bend the last two teeth going up. Let's bend this back down towards the bottom of the mouth. Come down and then in. Now add some jagged teeth across the bottom, going up and then down. Let's add a couple more on either side. Now let's go back up to the top in the center. We're going to add a curve going up and then down. And we're going to tuck the stem in behind. On the left, bend this up and over towards the right. On the end, draw a small oval. And then from the bottom of the oval, curve the right side of the stem coming down. Let's add another fold along the side, going up and then down. And then we're going to come down along the side, draw the head going out, round up the head, come in towards the middle, just underneath the mouth, go all the way across, and then we'll tuck this in on the right side. Now in the center, just underneath the head, we're going to leave a gap. Let's draw a point, bend this up and out toward the left and right side. And then from the top, it's going to bend this down and then in towards the middle. Let's connect the head to the bottom with two straight lines for the neck. Let's add the eyes along the inside, bend this in and down, round up the outside. Now with the collar, we're going to start on the left side. We're going to draw a wave. Just going to wave this around and up towards the tip. Do the same thing on the right. Now there's 3 points on either side. So we're just going to bend this back in. Wave this out to another point, come in, add one last point. I'm just going to draw on the bottom, coming in towards the side. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I want to open up the jacket. Let's start on the left side, bend this out, and back in towards the middle. Do the same thing on the right. On the side, let's add the bottom half of the collar with two straight angled lines. Bend this down and back in. Let's go back up to the top. Draw the top half of the collar going up and out. Bend this up and in. Now I'm going to go back up to the top. Just going to round up the body, coming around, down, and then in towards the hips. Let's move to the center, step down, draw a short line going across, and then in the middle, come straight down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We'll start with the left side, move down and up. Go back to the left side, draw the top of the foot, going up and then down, aiming towards the heel, and we'll just curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips. We're going to draw the side of the leg coming straight down, and I'll bend that out on top of the feet. Let's separate the jacket. In the middle, come straight down, and then bend this out toward the left, and then the right side. And then on the right side of that center line, draw a small circle for a button. Let's go back to the bottom of the coat, bend this down and then out. I'm just going to bend that back in towards the side of the leg. Let's add that thick sole across the bottom of the feet, just tracing that same curve. And then we're going to move back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left holding Jack Skellington's head. So we start at the very top with a circle, going all the way around, and then back up towards the top. Let's add in the brow. Leaving a gap in the center, bend this up and over towards the left, and then the right side. And we'll tuck the eyes in underneath. From the tip, step down, draw an oval, coming around, and then back up. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's add two small ovals in the center for the nostrils, and it'll draw in the mouth. Starting on the left, curve this down, and then up, and it'll add those stitch lines going across the mouth. Now I want to draw the arm bent holding the head. So I'm going to start from the top of the body, angle the arm coming down and out, angle this up towards the head, and we'll round out the cuff. Let's curve the arm, coming in and then down towards the elbow, then this up and in towards the body. Let's layer the hand in behind the head, starting from the right side of the cuff, bend this in and up, go to the left, going out and up. Now I'm going to move over and draw the right arm on the hip. So let's line up the bottom of the arm, angle this down and out towards the elbow, come straight in, let's round out the cuff. And do the same thing, bending the arm, going out and up towards the elbow, go straight up and in towards the top of the body. Now I want to draw the palm with the fingers wrapped around the outside. So underneath the cuff, bend this down and then in, step back, curl the finger, add another finger in behind. Let's sign your art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Jack Skellington from A Nightmare Before Christmas. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.